Too many tasks and no idea where to start? This is a task manager that decides for you which job to start first. 1 row per task. You only ever type in the yellow cells. The last 3 columns fill themselves. The number, the due status, and the priority group. The cards at the top update instantly. The red one counts what is already overdue. The upcoming tab answers the only question that matters each morning. 3 columns side by side. Overdue, due today, and the days just ahead. Change the number of days in the yellow cell, and the right-hand column stretches with it. Sharing work with other people? This tab shows who is loaded, and who is running late. Pick one person in the yellow cell to list exactly their open tasks. Need a closer look? Each of these 4 yellow cells sits directly above the column it filters. Stack as many criteria as you like. Set one back to all to drop it. And here is the part worth paying for. The Eisenhower matrix. Every unfinished task lands in one of 4 groups. Do first, schedule, delegate, or reconsider. You never have to sit and wonder where to start again. Scan the code to see this template and many more.